Welcome to our guide on placing orders using the Pay Now or Pay Later options. This video will walk you through the simple steps to order your favorite items directly from your mobile device using the digital menu. Start by scanning the QR code on the table to access the menu. This allows you to view all available items and place orders conveniently from your mobile device, enhancing your dining experience. To add items to your order, simply tap the Add button next to each menu item. Once you've selected your desired items, proceed by clicking Place Order to move to the next step. After placing your order, you'll have the option to Pay Now or Pay Later. Enter your email to receive an order receipt and choose a tip percentage, which is optional, before clicking Pay to complete the transaction. If you choose Pay Later, your items will be added to the table bill. To finalize payment, simply scan the same QR code on the table when you're ready to settle the bill. The Pay Now option allows you to complete your transaction immediately, ensuring a quick and seamless dining experience. This method is perfect for those who prefer to settle their bill up front. Choosing Pay Later offers flexibility, allowing you to enjoy your meal without immediate payment. This option is ideal for group dining, where the bill can be settled at the end of your visit. Welcome to our guide on placing orders using the Pay Now feature. This convenient method allows you to order directly from your mobile device using the digital menu, enhancing your dining experience with ease and efficiency. Start by scanning the QR code on your table. This will allow you to view the menu on your mobile device, making it easy to browse and select your desired items for a seamless ordering experience. To add items to your order, simply tap the Add button next to each menu item. Once you've made your selections, proceed by clicking the Place Order button to finalize your choices. After placing your order, review all selected items. When ready, click Pay Now to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your email for the receipt and can add a tip by selecting a percentage. Please note the tip is optional. Choose from local payment methods available via Pay tabs, including Apple Pay. Once you've entered your payment details, click Pay Now to complete the transaction securely. After completing your payment, you can view your order details and have the option to leave a Google review. This feedback helps improve service and enhances future dining experiences. You will receive an order confirmation email, which serves as your receipt. Keep this for your records, ensuring you have a reference for your transaction and any future inquiries. Welcome to our guide on completing Pay Later orders by covering the whole bill. We'll walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and efficient payment experience at your favorite restaurant. Start by scanning the QR code on the table. Once scanned, click on the Pay or Split Your Bill button to proceed. This will take you to the next step in managing your order payment. After accessing your order, you can view all the details. Carefully review them, and when ready, click on Cover the Whole Bill to proceed with paying the entire amount. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email to receive an order receipt. You can also add a tip by selecting a percentage before clicking Pay to finalize the transaction. Choose from local payment methods available via Pay tabs, including Apple Pay. Once you've selected your preferred method, click Pay Now and to complete the payment process. After payment, you can view the order details and have the option to leave a Google review. This feedback is valuable and helps improve the dining experience for everyone. Additionally, an order confirmation email will be sent to you, serving as a receipt for your records. This ensures you have a reference for your completed transaction. Welcome to our guide on completing Pay Later orders using split payments. This video will walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and efficient transaction experience for you and your group. Start by scanning the QR code on the table. Once scanned, click on the Pay or Split Your Bill button to begin settling the bill. After accessing the bill, you can view the order details. To proceed, click on Split Bill. You have the option to divide the bill among the number of people sharing the meal. Alternatively, you can choose to split the bill by paying a specific amount. Once you've decided on your preferred method, click Pay to continue with the transaction. You'll be prompted to enter your email to receive a receipt. You also have the option to add a tip by selecting a percentage. Use local payment methods like Apple Pay, then click Pay Now to finalize. After completing the payment, you can view the order details and have the option to leave a Google review. An order confirmation email will be sent to you for your records. If there's any remaining amount due, click Return to Menu to check. This ensures that all payments are settled and you can enjoy your dining experience without any worries. Welcome to our guide on completing pay later orders efficiently. We'll walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience when settling your bill using modern payment methods. Start by scanning the QR code on the table. This will direct you to the menu where you will be able to see your outstanding balance. Click the Pay or Split Your Bill tab to view the order and make a payment. After clicking the Pay or Split Your Bill tab, you can view detailed order information. Select the items you wish to pay for and proceed by clicking the Pay Now button. You'll need to enter your email to receive a receipt. You also have the option to add a tip by selecting a percentage. Once done, click Pay to proceed with the transaction. Choose from various local payment methods available via Pay tabs, including Apple Pay. After selecting your preferred method, click Pay Now to finalize the payment. Once the payment is complete, you can view the order details and have the option to leave a Google review. An order confirmation email will be sent to you for your records. Welcome to our guide on using the split bill option to view paid items. This feature simplifies the process of managing shared expenses, making it easier for everyone involved to keep track of their payments. To begin, scan the QR code located on your table. This will direct you to the menu, then click on the Pay or Split Your Bill tab, where you can view the order details, track payments, and pay any outstanding balance due. After selecting the Split Bill option, you can view detailed order information. This includes a breakdown of items ordered, making it easy to identify who ordered what. Additionally, you can identify the payer by checking the displayed email address. This feature helps in confirming who has paid, ensuring transparency and accountability among the group. The split bill option is designed to enhance your dining experience by simplifying the payment process. It eliminates the confusion often associated with group payments, providing a seamless solution. By using this feature, you can avoid the hassle of calculating individual shares manually. It automatically divides the total amount, allowing each person to pay their portion directly.